Thanks for staying tuned to First Alert 25. I'm meteorologist Josh Johns. We'll look at your forecast here on this Saturday evening. We just got through one winter storm. Another one is on the way as we go through the overnight hours on into Sunday and Monday. Winter storm warning in effect for all of Central Texas and the Brazos Valley through Monday. We're going to see the potential for total snow sleet accumulation to run around 3 to 6 inches. That means combined snow and sleet together. You could have 2 inches of snow and maybe 2 inches of sleet, but overall it's going to run somewhere between 3 and 6 inches. Before that, the potential for a light glaze of ice running up towards 1/10 of an inch. Remember, just a little bit of ice causes a lot of issues here in Central Texas and the Brazos Valley, so that'll add on to it, which is why travel is highly discouraged across the area as we go through the next few days. And then wind chills below zero once the winter storm moves through. So a lot that we're going to be watching. Let's go ahead and tack you through time here on what you can expect with your winter weather timing. Light freezing rain and sleet will be possible as we go through the overnight hours on into the morning, and then in the middle of the morning we'll see that switch over to a sleet and snow mix by midday, and then by afternoon the potential for that to switch over to heavy snow. Although this won't be that wet gloppy snow, it will be heavy snow that will be falling. You'll also throw in 20 to 25 mile per hour winds, which means blowing snow. Near blizzard-like conditions coming for Central Texas and the Brazos Valley by the time we head into Sunday afternoon and evening, and then things should start to taper off by Monday morning. Let's take you through time on Future Track because things are quiet right now. You have about 2 more hours as of Saturday evening to go ahead and get out and get your last-minute preparations done. After around 10 o'clock Saturday, you need to be in your homes, or at least in your place you're going to be taking shelter, because that's when we'll see the potential for light freezing rain and drizzle to start. That'll take you through the overnight hours on into the morning. As we go into the middle of the morning on into the midday, we'll see that light freezing rain and drizzle transition over to a sleet and snow mix, eventually becoming all snow as we head through the afternoon. And in particular, it's looking like that transition zone, since it's coming later in the evening, could favor the potential for higher snow totals east of I-35 down into the Brazos Valley. By the time we head into the overnight hours Sunday into Monday, we'll see drier air start to work in, and we could even see some sunshine by Monday. That's the first winter storm. We'll have a break coming up on Tuesday, but then look at Future Track as we go on into Wednesday. Another winter storm arrives. This one could be heavier on the ice potential than the snow potential. That'll take you Wednesday on into Thursday before things finally start to dry out by the end of the week, and that's when we'll finally be able to warm up. But before then, we reach some very cold temperatures. 26 on Sunday in Central Texas. That's your overnight high. Temperatures will drop through the day. 28 on Sunday in the Brazos Valley. Overnight lows falling into the single digits and teens on Monday morning. Single digits for everyone and near zero by Tuesday morning because of the clearing skies. We won't get out of the teens coming up on Tuesday. 20s in the Brazos Valley. First Alert 25 weather days in effect all the way through the middle of the week before that next winter storm comes in. Highs in the 20s with it. The potential for sleet, freezing rain, and snow Wednesday and Thursday. Finally, things start to warm up as we head through the weekend, though, and by weekend we could see temperatures climbing into the 60s later on next week. That's a look at your updated 10-day forecast. Thanks for staying tuned to First Alert 25. I'm meteorologist Josh Johns.